Hey guys, hope everyone is doing very well and ready to learn something new. And today I am actually going to talk about Trailhead. And this is pretty much for the beginners who are going to jump into Salesforce ecosystem, would like to learn more about Salesforce, where to learn, how to learn, and what are the benefits of Trailhead and how it helps with our step-by-step modules. So we're going to talk about 3 different categorizations like trails, modules, chapters, and trail mixes. Plus, I will also talk about the career and the career path in the Salesforce, as well as the certifications. What certifications are important for, like, what profession are you in right now? Okay. So let's talk about it, and let me show you what exactly Trailhead looks like, and we'll take it from there. Okay. Here you can see the Trailhead website. On the right hand side is your profile, where you can see your current achievements, and from the profile you can go to the profile to see how you're doing. I am going to today's page, first of all, just to show you how my profile looks like. And here we go. So on the left hand side, I can see my points. I can see the badges. This is my profile, by the way. My badges and, what's in progress and the recommendation. So look, these recommendations is not I put something. It's based on my continue working towards the ranger or the badges I'm taking in Trailhead. It's based on that information. It gives some recommendations for you, and then you can pick if you like it. If you can ignore it, it's up to you guys. Okay. Now, as I mentioned, we're going to talk about the modules, and we're going to talk about the trails. So here you can see we have a trailhead. I'm logged in too. When I go to trail or trail mixes or to modules, they are three different things. Okay, so let's go to trails first. It's small thing compared to trail mix. Module is one of the single chapter as well. Okay, now here, so you can see the trail. It's prepare your data for AI. Look, I haven't done anything like magically. It just came up with my progress, like what I do. And it's actually a newest one I have selected as a sorted. If I want to put as a beginner, it might change, it might not change, but it really depends on basically what kind of filters you're going to use. But again, it's based on your profile. Okay. So what happened with, like, I know many people, they work on trails. It's up to you how you want to decide. You want to work on subject matter, like as a subject wise, like I want to pick Service Cloud, I want to pick admin, I want to pick Sales Cloud, I want to pick ad builder. There are different topics, right, as well. I want to pick flows, I want to pick validations. It's up to you what topics and modules you want to pick. But then there is a trail which already has a number of modules. Okay, so for example, this one, I pick first trail. It has following chapters under this module. Okay, some modules have single unit in there, like this one, chapter or unit, whatever you want to call it, and has 100 points. But if I look above, this has 700 points. It sounds like 2 of them has 100 points and 1 of them has 500, which means the 500 is majority of time that when you do the playground, which is you working on some kind of Salesforce developer environment and configuring, setting up, or creating feeds, or creating formulas, creating some activities, basically, then you get 500 points on it. Okay, so again, it's a bundle. It's a small bundle with modules. But then when I look at the other thing, which when I go to the learn one and go to trail mixes, it's pretty much same thing. But trail mixes is a big bundle. It basically, like, good example, can see my screen right now. It's on certification base. I want to do associate, I want to do administrator, I want to do ad builder. Depends on whatever certification you pick. Someone already created a module for you where you can assign things. Like I created maybe the BA trail mix in 2022. So it's boy Cam. You can see my name here, right? So you can pick and choose basically which one more interesting, or which one you would like to do, right? For example, I can also give a search here. So let's type something, administrator certification. Look, the search already came in, and let's see what I get. So I get many trail mixes on it. Some of them created by Trailhead, and some of them created by different people, like for this one, right? This has 36,000 points, but this Trailhead one, it has 42,000 points. So one is 54 hours, second one is 48 hours. It's up to you which one you want to pick and choose. They will be overlapping as well, which means you're not kind of overdoing it. It's just there for your help, basically, okay? So this was about trail mix, trail, and learning the journey about step by step how to do the prep work. Okay, but you can focus via the today, how much you progress, how many badges you learn, how many numbers you have made. Then obviously, as soon as you grow, obviously you highlight these things. Okay, and make sure when you're doing when you are in this environment, like in Trailhead, basically there is a button, it's called, I think, hire me or something. You should highlight that button in for everybody, so people know that you're looking for it. Like, I just never remove it, but yeah, you can choose hire me button. People notice you, and obviously you can go step by step, okay, and they will see your progress. So anyone can see your progress. Like, you can see my progress via the portal. You can search my name and I will be appear. You can follow me, you can send me a message. So I can, let's see if I can look for someone. Let's see. Gosh, let's see. I am there, and I am going to click on, let's go back and let's click and look for here, and let's go to community feed. So guys, this is something very important. Community is about the network, okay? So let's pick the person first. So I've got randomly first person because this is on the top of the feed. I picked up this girl, lady. She's a community manager at Salesforce. Now you can message her. You can message anybody in the community and ask for any help, right? She's a mountaineer because she's working on points, and I'm sure towards the skill, I can see her progress, how many badges she's done, about me, about her role, about where she's located, and all that stuff. You want to ping her, ask a quick question, you can follow for her new notifications and stuff. You can do whatever, right? It's basically helping as a community and bring network. This is one way of increasing the network in the Salesforce ecosystem. You can also post a question. If you are stuck with something, if you don't know what you're doing, this is the best way as well to communicate with people and ask for help, right? Now, come back to community again. Community is a network of people where people collaborate. So then you have a local communities, like I'm based in London, I've got London group. It's called London Admin Group, London Developer Group, London Architect Group, London Marketing Group, London like different Women in Tech Group. These kind of groups are available in each city around you, many cities around you, I would say. Also in country-wise, like New York City in America, or California you're looking at, in Paris in France you're looking at, somewhere in Barcelona and Spain you're looking at, in India, Delhi you're looking at, in Bangalore, India you're looking at. Like different countries, different approaches. Like they have some other cities. I was involved in multiple user groups, online sessions or offline sessions as well, and where I did present. And even in some of the groups, people do assign the mentees to you. I'm a mentor of many mentees at the minute, so where I train people, or I do one-to-one sessions to work with them on Trailhead as well. As you all know, Salesforce has stopped official mentorship, which is no more. So focus is, it's not about that they have stopped, which means that you can't get help. It's about there is always an alternate. So now alternate is a community now. Come to the community, ask question, talk to people, and there are many channels online nowadays to talk and work on it. Okay, so So this is the video about all Trailhead and how community works. So guys, again, don't forget to connect with me. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so where you will see all the alerts about my new video. And obviously, if you want to get in touch, got queries, comment at the bottom of this video. I will put the links and I will share my blog links and everything with you guys about how to connect and where to grow. There will more videos coming about different certifications, different topics on Salesforce, but this one was completely restricted to beginners for Trailhead guys. And stay in touch with Cam. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye, guys.